should have a proper sample of your garment. You should have something concrete that you can come over and to show your factory. This is my garment, this is what I want it to look like. With that, you should have a tech pack, you should have technical specifications. It's pretty standard in our industry to have that.
Have a prototype, and the problem that I've seen is people come over with one prototype. But if you're prudent, you're going to approach 3 or 4 different factories.
Yes, that's another thing.
And if you only have one physical sample, factory A may ask to keep that sample for a week to quote price.
Yes, that's a very good point.
But if you have tech packs, you can email to all the factories at the same time.
Yep.
And then within 1 week, you can get a price quoted based on the tech pack. And the same tech pack will be given, so you're comparing apples to apples.
Yep.
Yeah.
And when we work with a new client, we sometimes will help them develop the tech packs, but we really like it when they already have it. So just bite the bullet, get it done, pay someone. There's lots of designers out there that can make it.
Right.
But that's a great point. You come with one sample, and that means that you're only giving it to one factory. And
Right.
not that you're necessarily shopping around, but you need to vet multiple factories.
For sure.
Because factories are, each one has their own strengths, and you might not work well with the team, or their capabilities might not match yours, or they might not have the right machines, or they might not have the bandwidth to take you on. So you really want to talk to, I'd say, at least 3.
And one other point about the samples, this just happened to me about a month ago. It's normal for a factory to take a circular cut of the fabric in order to weigh the fabric. If you only have one sample and you let them cut it, and then you take it, let's just say you get that sample back in a day, and you take it to the next factory and there's a big hole in it, first of all, the second factory knows that you are working with somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are just little details that until you've been through the process, you don't know about it. And also, a lot of times my clients will cry when there's a big hole in their beautiful sample that they spent hundreds of dollars to develop in, say, New York, and now there's this gaping hole, sometimes 2 or 3. So, but it has to be done in order to know the weight of the fabric.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.